This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Windsor Woods nice ranch with fresh paint and new flooring throughout, updated eat-in kitchen with new cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances, nice floor plan with large living room, dining room, and family room with fireplace. Primary suite with private bath and large walk-in closet. Large backyard with canal views, covered front and back porches, and attached garage. Established neighborhood with easy access to I-264, shopping, dining, Mount Trashmore, and bases. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.